Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to learn expressions of opinions and suggestions. It is used when we are giving opinion and giving suggestions in speaking. Okay. Well everyone, let me explain you in bahasa. Expression of asking for opinions. Ekspresi ini digunakan ketika kita bertanya sebuah opini tentang topik tertentu. Misalnya, topiknya tentang seberapa penting penggunaan mobile phone dalam pembelajaran. Kita bisa menggunakan direct questions dan juga polite questions. Ketika kita menggunakan direct questions, kita bisa bertanya dengan what do you think about this idea? What's your opinion on this matter? How do you feel about this? Do you agree with this approach? Atau what's your take on this? Kemudian, jika kita ingin menggunakan pertanyaan yang lebih sopan, kita mengekspresikannya dengan I'd like to hear your thoughts on this. Would you mind sharing your opinion? Atau could you tell me what you think about this? Kemudian, giving opinions. Ketika kita ingin mengekspresikan pendapat atau opini kita bisa menggunakan beberapa expressions seperti ini. Bisa menggunakan direct opinions atau polite opinions. Ekspresi ini bisa digunakan ketika kita ditanya oleh orang lain atau kita sendiri ingin menyampaikan sebuah pendapat atau opinion. Misalkan dengan menggunakan direct opinions. I think this is a good idea. I believe we should try a different approach. In my opinion, this is the best solution. To me, this doesn't seem fair. From my perspective, we should wait before. Kemudian, dengan menggunakan polite opinions, maksudnya kita memberikan opini kita dengan lebih sopan. Contoh ekspresinya, it seems to me that this could be improved. I would say this is a best choice. If you ask me, we should reconsider this. I tend to think this won't work as expected. Personally, I prefer the second option. Nah, itu ekspresi untuk memberikan opini kita. Kemudian, jika kita mendengarkan sebuah opini, kita juga bisa setuju dan juga tidak setuju dengan opini tersebut, yaitu dengan expression of agreeing or disagreeing with an opinion. Agreeing with opinion maksudnya adalah kita setuju dengan opini orang lain atau opini tertentu. Kita bisa mengekspresikannya dengan I totally agree with you. That's a great point. You're absolutely right. I couldn't agree more. That makes sense to me. Kemudian, jika kita tidak setuju, kita bisa menggunakan disagree politely. I see your point, but I have a different opinion. I understand what you mean, but I disagree. That's an interesting perspective, but I don't think it will work. I respect your opinion, but I have to disagree. Kemudian, kita juga bisa memberikan atau menanyakan sebuah saran. Kita menggunakan asking for suggestion expression untuk menanyakan sebuah saran atau giving suggestion untuk memberikan saran. Misalnya, asking for suggestion ketika kita ingin menanyakan saran kepada orang lain. What should I do? Do you have any suggestions? What would you recommend? Can you give me some advice? What's the best way to handle this? How do you think I should solve this problem? What's your suggestion? Itu ketika kita ingin menanyakan sebuah saran. Kemudian, jika kita ingin memberikan saran, kita juga bisa dengan beberapa expression. Misalnya, you should try a different approach. I suggest taking a break before making a decision. Why don't you ask for help? How about trying a new method? Maybe you could look for another option. It would be better to think carefully before acting. Have you thought about talking to a professional? Nah, itu beberapa expression untuk bertanya atau menanyakan saran dan juga memberikan saran. Saya akan coba memberikan sebuah contoh bagaimana ketika saya memberikan opini saya dan juga suggestion saya atau saran. Nah, topiknya tentang mobile phone. Baik, perhatikan dan simak baik-baik. Good morning everyone. Today I'd like to share my opinion and suggestion about mobile phones. In my opinion, mobile phones are one of the most important inventions of our time. They make communication incredibly easy, help us stay connected with loved ones, and offer countless apps that assist with work, learning, and entertainment. However, I also believe that people, especially young users, sometimes spend too much time on their phones, which can affect their health and social lives. Because of this, my suggestion is that we should use mobile phones more wisely. We can set time limits for using social media or playing games, and instead use our phones for productive activities like learning new skills or staying informed about the world. To conclude, mobile phones are amazing tools if we use them properly. It's up to us to make sure they improve our lives, not control them. Thank you. Nah, itu merupakan sebuah contoh bagaimana saya memberikan opini saya dan juga saran saya tentang mobile phone. Nah, teman-teman bisa mempraktekannya dengan memberikan opini dan juga suggestion dengan expression yang sudah kita pelajari sebelumnya.